We are in Clarion, Iowa today, current home of the Big Bud 747, which is the largest ag tractor in the world.
I first heard about the Big Bud being built in 1976, 77.
It's definitely a legend in itself.
It's unusual. I think that's most of it, and it's big.
The look of it, the size of it, the sound of it, the story of it.
A couple of brothers came in from California to the Big Bud dealership and wanted the tractor specially built.
The whole point of this tractor was to make farming in California a little more efficient and easier.
It's kind of a novelty because it's the only one in the world.
It's big. It's definitely big. It's the biggest ag tractor out there.
It's 1,100 horsepower and it weighs 120,000 pounds.
You're sitting in it, your eye level is about 14 foot off the ground.
The tires were an issue.
Came down here and we tore it apart, and one of the original tires was bad. It was beyond repair.
I was under the impression that the tractor might not ever run again just because there was no other option for tires.
So I called Scott Sloan from Titan Goodyear. They're a good company to work with.
That's what we do. That's our job here, is to help end users solve their problems. And that's exactly why we're here today. We helped the Williams family solve their problem with this tractor. The tires that we're putting on this tractor today are the LSW1400 30R46, and we're touting this as the largest ag tire in the world. And I always thought that that was kind of a perfect match to put the largest ag tire on the largest ag tractors. We had to get the old duals off, and that was a matter of unbolting. There's approximately 40-some bolts.
This is cool to see. I mean, this is a beloved tractor to a lot of people. It would sadden a lot of people if this thing got cut up and sold to scrap.
We finally got it done, and it's pretty impressive.
It literally could not have gone any better today.
It's definitely a comeback story. Definitely a comeback story.
You see it almost suffering in a museum, but it's just dying to get back out into the field. And with these tires, it actually gave them the opportunity to do that.
They're made in the USA, which the tractor's made in the USA, and the Detroit engine's made in the USA. And
obviously that goes a really long way. And again, we're just proud to be part of this whole project.
Well, it's going to be awesome to see that back and running the prairies of Montana again.